Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off HDR on your TCL Roku TV by accessing its secret menu. These settings are not available in normal menu, so watch the video complete, don't skip any parts, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. In order to open its secret menu, we have to press home button for the 5 times without any pause. Then press rewind button. Then press play pause button. Then forward. Then again play pause. Then again rewind. These combination of keys will open a secret menu on the screen. Here you can see many options that were not available in normal settings. Now bring the cursor on HDR mode and select it. Here you can see options like disable HDR, open HDR, dolby vision and cancel. Now select the disable HDR to turn HDR off. And if you want to enable it, simply select the open HDR option. You can also enable or disable dolby vision here. One additional setting you also have to change is HDMI setting for HDR mode. Set it to HDMI 2.0 for HDR enable mode, and if you want to watch the TV with HDR mode off, then select HDMI 1.4. Hope this video helps you. Kindly leave a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.